What is up, guys? Done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gemini API to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to n8n's website, and then you need to create a new workflow, and then you need to click on this plus icon and search for Gemini. After searching for Gemini, here you can see Google Gemini. Click on this, and then let's say I am choosing a file actions. From here, you need to click on select credential and then create new credential. And after that, to get the API key, you need to head over to the ai.google.dev for Gemini API docs, and then you need to click on get an API key. You can see the option of get API key here at the top. So after clicking here, you will see this type of page. From here on the right side at the top, click on create API key, and after clicking here, you need to enter your API key's name, or you can just simply search it. And after that, here you will see the button to create API key in existing project. Click on it, and then this will start generating the API key. And after that, when the API key has been generated, you need to click on copy, and then you need to head back to n8n, and you need to paste the API key and then click on save. After clicking on save, as you can see, the credential has been successfully created and the connection has been tested successfully. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.